Hi, it's Helen here, and we're going to be working on topic 3.5, circular functions in trigonometry. So this is paper 2, question 3, and it says the graph of y equals p cosine qx plus r in the boundaries of where x is greater than or equal to -5 and less than or equal to 14 is shown below. There is a minimum point at 0, -3, and a maximum point at 4, 7. Oh, sorry. Okay, so here's the graph. And this is your maximum, 4, 7, minimum, 0, -3. So the question says find the value of P. So P is right here, that's the first one, which means that is our amplitude. And to find the amplitude, it is half of the distance between the minimum and the maximum. So your minimum is -3 and the maximum is 7. So to find the distance, you just take 7 minus -3 and that should give you 10. But for amplitude, it is half of the distance. So then you just divide that by 2, which gives you 5. So your amplitude should be 5. So P is equal to 5. And the second question is to solve for Q. Q is right here in our equation, which means this is our period. So to find the period, it is the distance between trough to trough or crest to crest. And I just did the math here with what they gave us, which is this point here, 0, -3, and they tell us that this one here is 4, 7. So that's half of what we need, which is 4. So then we just double that and we get 8. So that means our period is 8. Okay, and that just means Q is equal to 8. So then the third question says to solve for R, and R is right here in our equation, and so that's just our y-intercept, which is -3. So that just means R is equal to -3. And question 3b asks for K. So it says the equation y equals K has exactly 2 solutions. Write down the value of K. And the only y value that has exactly 2 solutions is -3, which is the 2 bottom troughs. It can't be 7 because there are 3 solutions as shown. So K is equal to -3.